What's up you guys? Today I just got an iMac 27 inch. Here it is. This thing is humongous. Look at the size of it. So today we'll be doing an unboxing video. Let's go ahead and open this giant beast up. Let's take a look at the outside of the box. This is the front end. And at the top it says 27 inch iMac with Retina 5K display. This comes with 256GB of storage. Basically, this is the base model for the 27 inch one. Here's the side. Nothing much. And this is the other side, which also has nothing much. And then now we can look at the back. Look at the design, it's so simple and sleek. They really just put it there, man. So now we'll go ahead and open this peel up. With that peeled off, let's open it up from the top. And here we go. Okay, so how we're going to open this up is we put the iMac to the top, take the sides down. On this side of the package, we have our cables. We can put this off to one side. And let's go ahead and open this side. Okay, here we go. It's taken up. Nothing in here. Empty. Put it to one side. Here is the keyboard and the mouse. Let's go ahead and open this up. We just pull this open. And here we go. We have the magic keyboard and a magic mouse. But basically everything in here is very sleek and minimalist. And open this up now. You can see that it's very well protected. Let's go ahead and peel off the packaging. Okay, so what I realized is this is actually the protective seal. So it is very easy to tear off, as in it's very easy to be broken, and that's why you can see that it basically wants to tell you that it has never been opened before. Let's peel this off now. Let's go ahead and peel off these stickers. What we can do is just peel it off. Same for the other side. And then the top. Alright, this is off. So here's a look at the iMac 27 inch. It's really very hard to focus because it is so huge, but look at the side. It is super thin. Really slim design. Doesn't look like it has any bezels here, but never mind. Here's another look from the other side. Anyway, let's go ahead and clear everything so that we can power it on. So just a quick one, we're gonna take this off and then use it to plug in to the computer. So let's take this out. And the mouse. So now we're going to switch on these two devices. just by clicking this up. There it shows a green color, and then the switch is over here for the keyboard, where we turn it to be green color as well. There we go. This is just the rest in the packaging. First we have the instruction manual, which we probably don't need.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape.
Anyway, this is the charging cable for both your keyboard and also your mouse, which will be at the bottom. I'm sure you can focus over there. Okay, so put this off to the side, and let's set up the iMac. I tried opening up the instruction manual, and I realized there's a microfiber cloth, which is very useful if you want to use to wipe your Mac's screen. And I'm glad they provided it in here.
Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. So right now I'm using the 1080p camera that's in front of the iMac to record this video. Is the quality good? Let me know in the comments section down below. As this is my first time doing an unboxing of something this big, can let me know too if there's anything that I can improve on, so that future videos will be better for you all. Once again, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.